They need to worry about my team. I'll give you a brief rundown in case it goes sideways.
Zombies! Zombies! All you can eat!
There's the shark fiend, who can swim in any surface, including solid walls and floors. He can also briefly change into his full devil form.
Oh, my bad, bud. Figured it was a zombie coming in for a little nibble.
The violence fiend. Typically, a fiend is weaker than the devil they were, but we still have to drip feed this one with poison gas for our own safety, hence the mask. Do not remove that mask under any circumstance.
Hey there, young lady. You might want to skedaddle. One little bite from these fellas can make a human turn zombie. Oh, wait. You're a devil.
The spider devil, which usually prefers to stay in humanoid form. The ones that can do that mostly get along well with people, but in the end, they're still devils. They'll kill you for looking at them wrong.
Yeah. Don't bleed on my shoe. This really sucks.
The angel devil. No hostility toward humans, but I still recommend you keep your distance. Make contact and you'll lose years off your lifespan.
You over there. Can I borrow a hanky? Pretty brave to come this close to me. You know touching me would siphon off your life.
Not if there's fabric in between, right?
Oh, jeez.
Devil, take this one outside.
Ordering me around, huh? Well, I'd rather do that than fight.
You three. Huh? The fiends can take care of things down here. Let's find the samurai sword and the snake woman.
Huh? You saying you know where to look?
No. We'll split up and search.